Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maisa Yusafira and today I will explain about a cultural perspective. Okay, in the first slide, cultural perspective, level of reasoning, institutional and cultural roles, and then the last using a role play to understand institutional roles. Okay, for the first, I will explain what is a cultural perspective. In short story, cultural perspective is a viewing a situation or concept through the eyes of an individual's native environmental and social influence. It is the influence that culture and society has on a person's worldview and perspective. So it means that a cultural perspective are values that relate to the custom that live in the society. So when the reader a story from culture, for example, British England, they will know about English culture, what they wear, how they speak, like that, and etc. This is a very important concept because it considers how an individual or group may perceive something based on the culture and society. Okay, in this book, open your page on 283. Okay, cultural perspective. In addition to their social dimension, narratives also portray the influence of cultural values. For the example, Irene Goodnight, for instance, explore the institution of family and social class. So, Irene Goodnight, it means that Irene in social class, it means that she is maybe in high class, like that, the story. Okay, and then explore issue relate roles, attitude, and economic power. In order for students to examine this issue, they need to recognize what characters action shaped in part by the kinds of culture worlds discussed in the last chapter. The worlds of peer group, mass media, school, community, and family. So it means, like, for the example, like Giselle. Giselle is opera that tell the story about the village girl who live happily in the village. She is the beautiful girl, and then she fell in love with the prince. And the culture is the area of, like, Victoria era. Okay, and then expressing cultural values, ideas, and attitude in literature. Cultural values, ideas, and attitude are presented by the author in literature to offer insight into beliefs and tradition to different culture. It is essentially the duty of the author present the values of a particular culture. Okay, next slide. Levels of moral reasoning. Level of moral reasoning. So here it means, in a story, the reader can make conclusion from the story or the message conveyed by the story. For example, story about rabbit and turtle. They can make the lesson learned from the story. Okay, here look at the table. View of person, the point of view of reader when they read the text. And then social perspective. Social perspective means social perspective is more like social values. Social value are held by society regarding what is considered good and what is considered bad by the community. To determine whether something is or bad, appropriate or inappropriate, must go through the process in the story. So it means that the point of view of social or community, is it bad or good attitude in the story. Okay, next is about character institutional. Okay, first I will explain the meaning of institutional first. Institution is a way of thought or action of some prevalence and permanence which is embedded in the habits of group or the custom of the people. In this character institutional, the reader examine the character's role as shaped by certain institution. And then cultural roles. Okay, cultural roles. The relative degree of permanence, well-known definite objective. Institutions are transmitter of social heritage, cultural objects of utilitarian value, and they are resistant to social change and due to rigidity of beliefs. Okay, in the next slide. Play to understand institutional roles. Okay, when we want to teach student to understand the roles and the character of the story, we make the drama in the class. So the drama will be played by student, and then after that, okay, then we divide them into several character or some characters. For example, A is protagonist, B is antagonist, and D is between. So after that, and then making drama, make the characters, and then after making the drama, we ask them what the lesson can be learned from each character play, and what is the lesson from the drama. Okay. The goal of using role play to understand institutional roles. First, giving the student insight into the characters in the story. 2. Provide wisdom or a lesson that can be drawn from the story. 3. To reveal each character's role, feelings, and traits of the characters. And the last, giving the respect to different cultures and the different of the character that they portray. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. And let's say, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.